First at 6 tonight, the Target 12 investigators obtained text messages thrown out of a child murder trial.
The judge in the Michael Patino case ruled the texts were part of a tsunami of illegal evidence collected by Cranston police. And tonight, you'll see what a jury may never see. Target 12 investigator Walt Buteau joins us now with a story live in the newsroom.
According to court documents, Patino and the victim's mother texted back and forth several times the night before the victim died.
And Michael Patino.
Court documents indicate Michael Patino began texting his girlfriend Tricia Oliver about 24 hours before her son Marco Nieves died at Hasbro Children's Hospital. Quoting directly from this log of messages obtained from the court file, Oliver started the conversation with this text. "Of course he is going to be all hurt and crying, 'cause you blanking beat the blank out of him." Oliver texted that Nieves had been throwing up and that his eyes keep rolling in the back of his head. Patino suggested that she should rub his stomach and give him water with lemon after earlier in the conversation texting this message in all caps. "I punched that little blank 3 times and that was it, but let him be a man and not a little blank like you." According to Judge Savage's ruling, a Cranston police detective interrogating Patino on the day Nieves died told Patino, quote, "Those texts are damaging." But records indicate Cranston police had yet to obtain a search warrant for that information. Back to the text messages, when the 6-year-old's mother asked Patino, "What did you do to my son, Mike?" Patino responded with this message about a minute later. "I told you I went to punch him on his back again, and he moved, and I hit him on his stomach." The defendant suggested in another text that food was causing the problem, but texted an apology as well. "My bad. I'm really sorry about that." Early the next morning, Nieves was brought to the hospital where he died that evening.
You have to get a search warrant.
Patino's attorney, David Cooper, tells Target 12 if anything happened here, it was an accident. And he added that the issue in this case is whether or not the evidence was obtained legally by police. Cranston police did not return our phone call today about these text messages. Meanwhile, the trial is scheduled to begin on Monday, and there's no word from prosecutors right now whether or not they will appeal the judge's ruling. Live in the newsroom with the Target 12 investigators, Walt Buteau, Eyewitness News.